To anonymize sensitive and confidential content from emails with attachments, you first need to convert the email into an Msg file. To do this, go to Outlook and select the email you want to download, click on the three dots on the right and click Save As. With the Msg file created and saved, open the Nymiz software to start the anonymization process. In the menu on the right, click on Files, select the Msg file and click Continue. Choose the masking method to anonymize the content and select Continue. Select the settings you previously prepared and select Continue. A screen will appear with a summary of the procedure to be carried out. We review it and click Continue again. An animation will appear indicating that the process is in progress. Once the process is complete, this screen will appear, indicating that you can download the anonymized file. You can now share it safely by email.